Nucor Corporation, from recycled scrap to high-performance steel products. How America's largest steel producer transforms scrap metal into the infrastructure of modern society. Steel is one of the most essential materials in the modern world. It forms the framework of skyscrapers, strengthens bridges, powers industries, supports transportation networks, and plays a critical role in countless products used every day. Behind much of this steel stands Nucor Corporation, the largest steel producer in the United States and one of the world's most innovative steel manufacturers. Unlike many traditional steel companies that depend primarily on iron ore and blast furnaces, Nucor has built its success around a different philosophy, transforming recycled scrap metal into high-quality steel products through advanced electric arc furnace (EAF) technology. This approach has allowed the company to combine economic efficiency, environmental responsibility, and manufacturing excellence. Today, Nucor operates a vast network of steel mills, recycling facilities, fabrication plants, and distribution centers across North America. Its products serve construction, automotive, energy, manufacturing, infrastructure, and industrial markets, making the company a cornerstone of modern economic development. The production journey begins with scrap metal. The steelmaking process at Nucor starts long before steel enters a furnace. The company operates one of the largest metal recycling systems in North America, collecting millions of tons of scrap steel every year. The scrap originates from a wide range of sources, including end-of-life automobiles, demolished buildings, industrial machinery, manufacturing offcuts, construction waste, railway materials, obsolete infrastructure. Once collected, the material undergoes extensive inspection and sorting. Advanced processing equipment removes contaminants and separates different grades of steel to ensure consistency in the final product. This stage is critical because high-quality raw materials form the foundation of high-quality steel. Electric arc furnaces, the heart of Nucor's operations. After preparation, the scrap metal is transported to Nucor's electric arc furnaces. Unlike traditional blast furnaces that require iron ore, coke, and limestone, EAF technology uses powerful electrical energy to melt steel scrap directly. Massive graphite electrodes generate electric arcs that create temperatures exceeding 600 degrees C, transforming solid metal into molten steel. This technology offers several major advantages: reduced dependence on mined raw materials, lower carbon emissions, greater production flexibility, faster response to market demand, improved energy efficiency, lower capital investment requirements. These benefits have helped position Nucor at the forefront of modern steelmaking. Refining and metallurgical engineering. Producing molten steel is only the first step. Different industries require steel with specific chemical compositions and mechanical properties. For example, construction steel must provide exceptional strength and durability. Automotive steel must combine strength with lightweight characteristics. Energy sector steel must withstand extreme operating conditions. To achieve these requirements, Nucor employs advanced secondary metallurgy processes. Engineers carefully adjust chemical compositions, remove impurities, control carbon levels, and add alloying elements to achieve precise specifications. This stage transforms molten steel into a highly engineered material tailored for specific applications. Continuous casting, from liquid metal to solid forms. After refining, the molten steel enters the continuous casting process. The liquid steel is poured into water-cooled molds, where it gradually solidifies into semi-finished products such as slabs, billets, blooms. These products serve as the raw material for subsequent rolling operations. Continuous casting improves productivity, enhances product consistency, reduces waste, and contributes to overall manufacturing efficiency. Rolling mills, creating finished steel products. The semi-finished steel then moves to rolling mills, where powerful rollers shape the material into its final dimensions and profiles. This stage converts steel into products ready for commercial and industrial use. Nucor produces an extensive range of steel products that support virtually every major sector of the economy. Reinforcing bar, rebar. Rebar is among Nucor's most important products. Used inside reinforced concrete structures, rebar provides the tensile strength necessary for buildings, bridges, tunnels, highways, and dams. Key advantages include high tensile strength, excellent durability, reliable performance, consistent quality, compliance with international standards. Because modern infrastructure depends heavily on reinforced concrete, rebar remains a fundamental component of Nucor's product portfolio. Structural steel products. Nucor is also a leading producer of structural steel used in large-scale construction projects. These products include wide flange beams, structural columns, channels, angles, structural sections. Structural steel offers numerous advantages: high load-bearing capacity, excellent strength-to-weight ratio, long service life, design flexibility, rapid construction capability. Many stadiums, airports, industrial plants, and skyscrapers rely on structural steel manufactured by Nucor. Sheet steel products. Sheet steel represents another major segment of Nucor's business. These products are used in automotive manufacturing, appliances, industrial equipment, energy systems, construction materials. The advantages of Nucor sheet steel include superior surface quality, excellent formability, reliable weldability, high dimensional accuracy, strong mechanical performance. These characteristics make sheet steel suitable for demanding industrial applications. Advanced automotive steel. As vehicle manufacturers seek lighter, safer, and more efficient designs, advanced steel grades have become increasingly important. Nucor produces automotive steel products designed to help manufacturers reduce vehicle weight, improve fuel efficiency, increase electric vehicle range, enhance crash performance, improve manufacturing productivity. The company's investments in advanced steel technologies position it as an important supplier to the evolving automotive sector. Wire and engineered products. In addition to long and flat steel products, Nucor manufactures a wide variety of wire products and engineered steel solutions. These include wire rod, industrial wire, steel mesh, reinforcement systems, specialty engineered products. These materials serve industries ranging from agriculture and energy to transportation and manufacturing. Why Nucor products stand out? Several factors distinguish Nucor's products in the marketplace. Consistent quality. Strict quality control systems ensure reliable performance across all product categories. Sustainability. High recycled content helps customers reduce the environmental footprint of their projects. Innovation. Continuous investment in technology drives product improvement and the development of advanced steel solutions. Reliability. A large manufacturing and distribution network ensures dependable supply and timely delivery. Customer-focused solutions. Nucor works closely with customers to develop products tailored to specific project requirements. Conclusion. Nucor Corporation has transformed steelmaking by proving that recycling, advanced technology, and industrial efficiency can work together to create world-class products. From scrap collection and electric arc furnace operations to sophisticated metallurgical processing and advanced rolling technologies, every stage of production is designed to maximize quality and performance. The result is a diverse portfolio of steel products that supports modern construction, transportation, manufacturing, and infrastructure. As demand grows for sustainable, high-performance materials, Nucor continues to demonstrate why it remains one of the most respected and influential steel producers in the world.